फिलहाल पासवान जी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़े हुए हैं, बीजेपी के नेता हैं। पासवान जी, अब बताया जा रहा है कि काफी आपत्तिजनक बयानबाजी हो रही है रामचरितमानस के ऊपर और ये सारे के सारे आरजेडी के लीडर्स की तरफ से आ रही है। सर, क्या कहेंगे?
नहीं, देखिए, बहुत ही दुखद है, बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। राष्ट्रीय जनता दल के लोग, खासतौर से उनके जो जनप्रतिनिधि हैं, वो ऐसी बयानबाजी करके समाज में भेदभाव, हिंसा और उपद्रव का वातावरण बनाना चाहते हैं। उनको मालूम नहीं है रामचरितमानस लिखा किसने है। तो वाल्मीकि जी ने लिखा है। वाल्मीकि जी किस समाज से आते थे? अनुसूचित जाति समाज से आते थे, दलित समाज से आते थे। ये कहकर वो दलित समाज को अपमानित कर रहे हैं, दलित समाज से आने वाले हर एक व्यक्ति को अपमानित कर रहे हैं। मैं आग्रह करता हूं आपके माध्यम से रीतलाल यादव जी को अविलंब देश भर के दलितों से माफी मांगनी चाहिए कि ऐसे बयान देने की हिम्मत आपको कहां से हुई, जहां आप लोगों को भ्रमित कर रहे हैं और समाज में हिंसा का तांडव फैलाना चाह रहे हैं।
लेकिन पासवान जी, एक एग्जाम्पल कैसे सेट होगा सर, जब उन्हीं के नेता, चाहे हम बात करें अगर तेजस्वी यादव से सवाल उठाया जा रहा है या टॉप जो आरजेडी के नेताओं से सवाल उठाया जाता है, वो तो कोई एक्शन लेते ही नहीं अपने नेताओं के खिलाफ।
नहीं, देखिए, एक्शन जनता लेगी। आप निश्चिंत रहिए। पिछले आम चुनावों का आंकड़ा देखिए आप, 40 में उनकी कितनी सीटें आई हैं? 0। आने वाले चुनाव, वो चाहे विधानसभा हो या लोकसभा हो, आप निश्चिंत रहिए, वो एक्शन ले ना ले, बिहार के दलितों ने, बिहार के गरीबों ने, बिहार के शोषितों ने अपना मन बना लिया है कि जो सामाजिक न्याय के नाम पे लोगों को ठगने का काम करते हैं, उनको सत्ता से बाहर निकालना है।
जी पासवान जी, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। सुनील सिंह of the JDU is also with us, sir. Good afternoon. Now, if you remember, when the Bihar Education Minister had made such insulting and controversial remarks towards the Ramcharitmanas, the JDU had condemned those remarks, sir. Now, when it comes to another RJD leader, Rithlal Yadav, making similar sort of a statement saying that the Ramcharitmanas was actually written in a masjid and he is insulting the deities, sir. How and what stand would the JDU take now?
Look, we believe in the Constitution, and Constitution says secularism. Secularism means everybody is free to preach and practice the faith he or she that what they want. But then, yes,
sir, at the cost of hurting the sentiments of the other community, sir.
No. Let me complete. We respect all religion. We respect all religious texts, and everybody's religion.
But wasn't the JDU holding a completely different point of view and condemning the statements of what was made by Mr. Chandrasekhar earlier this year, sir?
I'm still condemning this statement also. Anybody who is hurting.
So this RJD leader has been saying, sir, that the Ramcharitmanas was actually written in a masjid. He's been saying that the deities are drunkards, sir. Such kind of statements, sir, that have been coming from the RJD leaders, won't you condemn it, sir?
Sure. I mean, if you let me speak, I will explain again.
Yes, sir.
That anybody who is hurting the sentiments of anybody's religion or the religious text, we do not subscribe to that. And it might be his individual view. JDU is very.
Sir, it is not just anybody, sir. Because it becomes all the more your responsibility as well, because you are in alliance with the same party whose netas are making such controversial statements.
Anybody, I'm telling you, anybody who is making this kind of a statement.
So will you call out on such netas and ask them to apologize, sir, for hurting sentiments of the community?
It's for the government to decide. I cannot comment on that, but I can comment on this thing that our party does not subscribe to the theory and the sayings of any leader who hurts any religious text or anybody's sentiment.
So do you believe that and some kind of an appropriate action should be taken against those netas, because we've not seen any action being taken against Mr. Chandrasekhar and now Mr. Rithlal Yadav, sir?
If it is not as per law should take its own course.
But sir, at least call out on those netas. If you're saying you do not subscribe to their views and you are openly condemning it, sir, won't you think that it will lead to a divide within your alliance with the RJD, sir?
No, we are having an alliance, and that leader is not spokesperson of that party. It might be his individual view, and it's for the top leaders of that political party to decide.
Well, individual view, sir, let the RJD come out and defend their own neta if they really would want to. Thank you very much, Mr. Sunil ji, for joining us here on the broadcast. Akshay, no clear-cut answers coming in. The JDU say we condemn it, but won't ask for action to be taken against the neta. How do we understand it?
Yeah, even the RJD is not ready to take actions on such leaders. Even Tejasvi Yadav tries to get off these questions when he is asked on this.
All right. right, Akshay has been on ground getting us those political reactions as well. How will the RJD react on this? Will they call out on their Neta? Will they take any action? That remains to be seen. However, the JDU has come out to say that they condemn the statement, however, is not ready to call out on the Netas and their controversial statements. In the meantime,